What's up, coaches? Today we're going behind the scenes in my home studio to give you some inspiration and ideas on making a space in your own home for, creating video content on a regular basis, because once you've got that set up, everything is so much faster, it's streamlined, and it's easier. It's just less overwhelm, because creating videos can be overwhelming. So we're gonna create a space, and I'm gonna show you how I organized everything. I'm even gonna show you a little bit of the nitty-gritty stuff that's like, it's not so perfect, and it's something I would never really want to be in a YouTube video. So if that sounds interesting to you, then make sure you stick around and see what I've got in store for you. So first up, we've got the signature staple of any YouTube home studio, and that is the backdrop. I put up wall boards, shelves, I've got books and little pieces of my personality on the shelves here. And that's the most important thing, is to just kind of set up something that, conveys who you are. And if you don't have the time or resources to set something like this up right now, that's okay. With some LED lights and gels, you can make a white wall that's plain and boring look a lot more interesting just using the LED lights and some colored gels. And so check the link in the description below. I'll recommend some stuff for you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I'm gonna be releasing some videos to show you how to do that. So next I'm going to show you the whiteboard wall over here, which is basically where I do all the training content. So I'm just going to move these lights around and we're going to check that one out next. Alright, so we're at the whiteboard wall. This is Tesla amazing product. It basically just static clings to the wall. I actually wouldn't recommend it. It's not really my favorite. I want something that's going to be a little bit more permanent. So I'll be installing a whiteboard on the wall soon. And the point is, you have to try stuff out and see what works for you. This was a really small investment, so it might be a good way to get started. And then I've got these drawer banks here that are filled with these organizers and cables, everything that I need in order to make sure that everything stays organized. So let's check out the stuff that's in the drawers. So one of the things that I did with this space here, there's actually a door behind here and I didn't like that. So I actually hung this blanket up. It helps improve the sound of the room a little bit. It does need a lot of work still. I'll be working on that soon. But I can shoot thumbnail photos with the black backdrop. I also have a green one which I can hang here. So you can do all kinds of stuff with that. If you've got a space where you can hang some blankets, there's some really affordable kits on Amazon that you can get for that. All right, now we're gonna check out some of the messy stuff. This is the door to my studio space. It's just got a map on it. This stuff, the reason why I wanna show you it, because it's not that important to get everything perfect and polished when it comes to creating your space. I've got this business model canvas here, but underneath that is an electric panel. And I've got some stuff here. There's a tripod sitting in the corner. There's a charging station down here. And the point is, just make the most out of the space you have and don't try to perfect it before you start creating all your content. Just get started with what you have and improve over time. So you can see here, I've got the computer and the desk and the laptop, everything that I do, all my video editing on. And the point was just to optimize this space as best I can. I've showed you the drawers and the organization, the YouTube wall, the nitty gritty. And the most important thing is just make sure that you get started and don't let any of this stuff hold you back, because that's what matters at the end of the day. Hey, if you like this video, then make sure you check out this video over here. Smash that thumbs up button if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you creating a big impact with your videos.